Now we play the other Sherbet Land. And it's so funny because if we were on the Magic Cruiser, Nick, we'd probably be in first and second overall in the GP. The Magic Cruiser would be busted on these tracks. But instead, we are
be owning,
roughing it with the off-roader. And like you said, the best part of this vehicle is not even the acceleration. Or sorry, not even the off-road, it's the acceleration.
Yes, exactly. That's correct.
Dead. Where are you at, Nick?
Mid-pack. We're chilling. Oh, we are
first.
chilling while we're flattened. Doing that.
Nice.
I see you in the back there, fellas. Hey, fella. What's up there, fellas?
How's it go?
Yeah, not too much, man. Doing it right.
Doing a little bit of ball
baby,
bouncing.
random green and last. We don't like those.
I love how with this vehicle I go so wide that I don't have to deal with as many bombs.
Yeah.
Because, when you're taking tight lines, people drop bombs on your face. It's rough.
Exactly. He has some maneuvering capabilities.
Ooh, that was good. All right, I'm getting some practice in for lap 3 when I inevitably spam golden mushroom and take over first and win. Or triple mushrooms like last race.
We're just going to bump everyone, cause some havoc and destruction. And then triple reds. Oh my god. I'm just trapped here, trying to avoid all the shells.
Like this. I really can't believe I'm in this spot. This is amazing. No.
Yeah, the excel on this is more of redeeming quality than the off-road, to be honest.
I told you, man. I told you.
That's right there. All right. Oh, the fellow's right here. Oh my god.
Box, nice. Yes. Oh, can I get some people here? Oh my god, I'm having the race of my life right now.
I need some power item stat, dude, at this point. What's going on? Hello! So many people! Okay. Gotta do this right. Now use it. Get most of the advantage on the off-road over here.
Second again. Yes!
Wow. You're crazy, dude.